The challenge that I think a lot of the industry has right now is there isn't an agreed upon standard for storing in Git history, like what was written by AI or not. And at a high level, what we've seen is engineers are generating or are changing about 70% more lines of code per week than what we saw at the end of 2023. So we think a lot of that should largely be attributable to AI.
So in this context now, you can interact with the LLMs through Graphite. You can interact with the Graphite agent to edit the code within the PR. And you've sort of seen a bunch of Claude and others introduce maybe review elements, and you're kind of encroaching into that space. How do you see the boundaries or the right scope of a product?
I could see a world where Graph isn't necessarily like building a first-party review agent. Our goal is very much to be like the interface layer and the best place to interact with and control many different agents working on your code changes. I also think then there's another opportunity to be the control plane for all of those agents, and that is really where I think we see the most opportunity.
If AI is doing the review, I think I would want to consume that review as part of my ongoing development as opposed to wait until I publish a PR. Why do I need to wait until I open the pull request?
Yeah, that's a great question.